This tutorial will show you masking footage with Capcut PC online free video editing software completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Drag your video clip that you would like to mask, and once it's selected or highlighted, it should be colored white. Go to the top right hand screen, and as you can see, we have video. Click the third option which says mask, which is next to remove BG, which is next to remove BG and next to retouch. Now real quick, I'm going to click on the video, go back to basic, and I'm going to adjust this according to where I'd like to mask the video. In this case, let's say right here, we want to mask the video. Under the mask option or icon, we have a couple different options: a horizontal mask, a mirror mask, a circle mask, a rectangle, and a heart. In this case, I like circle, and now you can click and hold on your video clip, and as you can see now, if we click play, your video has officially and successfully been masked in Capcut PC completely for free. Same thing works with a horizontal.